F1 visa success rate for Indians in 2025. What are your chances? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Indian student planning to study in the U.S. in 2025, one question is probably on your mind. Asterisk, what are my chances of getting an F1 visa? Let's break it down. 1. What is the F1 visa? The F1 visa is a non-immigrant student visa that allows international students to study full-time at accredited colleges and universities in the United States. But getting it isn't automatic. Preparation matters. 2. F1 visa approval rate for Indians in 2025. In 2025, the estimated F1 visa approval rate for Indian students is between 75% and 82%. That's a healthy number, and a positive sign compared to the uncertainties of previous years. This means about 8 out of 10 Indian applicants are getting approved. But yes, that also means some still get rejected. Let's understand why. 3. Common reasons for visa rejection. Here are the top reasons Indian students are facing rejections in 2025. 1. Weak home country ties. You need to show strong reasons to return to India after your studies. 2. Financial documents not convincing. You must prove you can afford tuition and living expenses. 3. Unclear or weak academic goals. If your study plan doesn't make sense, that's a red flag. 4. Poor communication in the interview. Memorized or vague answers can hurt your chances. 4. How to increase your chances in 2025. Now here's how to boost your chances of visa approval. Be clear about your academic and career goals. Show strong financial support via bank statements, scholarships, or sponsor letters. Practice your answers, but don't sound robotic. Stay confident, honest, and natural in your interview. Pro tip: apply early. Summer 2025 slots will be competitive. 5. Positive trend for Indian students. Here's the great news. Indian students are now the largest group of international students in the U.S., surpassing China in 2024. Because of this, U.S. consulates in India are streamlining interview processes and increasing appointment slots. 6. Final thoughts. In short, 2025 looks like a promising year for Indian students going to the U.S. on an F1 visa. But success still depends on how well you prepare. Be authentic, be confident, and be ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel,